In this extension task here, I'm going to solve something that I don't like. I don't like that these here are in the units column and then they become in the tens column. I just, nope, don't like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a function, and I'm going to go and make a function in our library. So we've already called the library up there. So if I go and create another function in my library, and I'm going to call it pad string, and I'm going to pad out, and I'm going to put spaces at the front of these until they all become the same length. And then that will just neaten up these columns, and the tens and units will be there, and it's quite a useful one to have. So I'm going to go to File and Open, and I'm going to go to my library, and I'm going to open it. I'm going to move that to the right hand side screen, and I'm going to create a new function. So I'm going to define that function. So def, and this is going to be called pad str with a capital S there. All right, and I need a len str. So I'm going to get a length of string. So I'm going to be told, I'm going to be sent, okay, turn this number into a string that is 8 characters, or whatever it's going to be. And I also need the string. So I'm going to do str for string, but that's a command, so I don't want to confuse it. So I'm going to call the whole thing string. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say temp equals string brackets string. Okay, let me explain myself. I've got this here. It's the string is going to go there, and it's going to be 2. So I'm going to convert it from a number into a character called 2. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a while, and I'm going to do a condition control loop while len of temp is less than len string, that one. So we're sending a 2, and I want it to be 4 long. So while the length of it is less than 4, I think I need to put an equals in there, just in there. But we'll try it. We'll see how it works. So this is a loop. So I'm going to put a colon into it, and notice it comes across again. What am I going to do? I'm going to say that temp equals speech marks plus temp. So it's going to add a new space on here. All right, I'm going to save it because it won't work unless I've saved it. I'm going to hide that. I'm going to come back into here, and in this thing here I've got total, and I'm going to go my lib dot pad string, and what do I want in there? I want O, comma. Now if I'm going to 1,000, then I want to do 4. You can go beyond 1,000, but you'll be silly. All right, and I also need score 0 in here, so I need pad string bracket score 0, comma, and I want that to be 4 as well, although probably 3 would get away with it. If you've got, over 1,000 calls in there, you're going a bit beyond the purpose of this particular test. All right. Well, let's give that a try then. We could use it in here as well, but let's just get it working in the second part first. Save it and run it. How many rolls? Let's go 10. All right. Now, did that work? I would say no, that didn't work, did it? So why didn't that one move up? and all these ones I got the wrong way as well. So no, there's an error, so it didn't work. No, it didn't work. So print total, my pad thing there was there, pad string not defined. Did I not put, I bet on the second one I didn't put my pad, did I? No, I didn't. My lib dot pad string. Okay, so I didn't try it on there, that's why it didn't work. So Control S, F5, and we roll 10. Okay, total none was none. Pad string. Oh, what a wally. I'm going to open up my lib. I didn't return it, did I? I should have returned temp. So when it's finished, I put it in there. So I'll save that now, minimize it down, go back to this one, save and run. How many rolls? 10. That's more like it. Alright, and then that's worked over there as well. So 4 might be a bit big on in here, but at least these all now line up. Alright, there you go.